Hey everyone, it's me and welcome to the phone channel. I haven't really been posting on this channel because I haven't had anything to vlog about, but I'm kind of bored and in the car and on my own, and it's raining. Ugh, ugh, horrible. It's raining, so I thought I'd, do a quick chat about general things. So I've been in town today, done some shopping. I was going to buy Dragon's Oath, but that's not out for another month. Got the date a bit wrong. Clever old me. Bought some cards for Father's Day. And Thursday, on my singing channel, I'll have a video of me singing live. I haven't decided the song yet. It's out of 3 songs, okay? Raise Your Glass by Pink, Loser Like Me by Glee, and a mashup of Turning Tables, Set Fire to the Rain, Rolling in the Deep, and Someone Like You, all by Adele. I can't decide. If you want to write in the comments box below, there, what you think I should do, then go ahead. Yeah. I can't really think downstairs over. Should I vlog from the mirror? Or should I vlog from this mirror, actually? It's probably more sensible. Hey! How long are we going? No, I don't look great. Hello. No, yeah. So yeah, yesterday I went to IKEA and Matalan. That's why there wasn't a Saturday video up yesterday, because I was at IKEA and Matalan for the day. That was good. I think that's, yeah, just sitting listening to the radio. Being me. Yeah. So yeah, that's Sunday. Later on today there should be an education, my review of that, and talking about just general stuff. Another reason why I didn't do the Saturday video yesterday was because I hadn't at all watched The Apprentice or whatever else it's called. What do you call it? Or Waterloo Road. So there wouldn't have been much for me to talk about. But yeah, welcome to the second video ever on the phone channel. Yeah, so yes, that's everything. I'll go back to being bored, and you can go back to your daily shizzle. See ya.